Hello everyone, good morning all of you. Welcome back to my YouTube channel The English Tutor. Today in this video I want to talk about I don't know English perfectly but still I am making videos. Why? Guys, many people think that first I will learn English completely, then I will start speaking. But it's wrong. This is not true. This is not good idea. Guys, I believe something different. If your English is not perfect, now you can't speak perfectly in English, and if you make mistakes while talking, don't worry, don't think about it. Whatever you know, like now you know only few rules in grammar, now you know only some tenses and some modals verbs, some ws family word. Whatever you know, you try to speak. Like now you know only present indefinite tense, you try to speak. I come, I go, I eat food, I watch English movies. Okay, this kind of way you have to speak whatever you know. You must start speaking from today. Okay, if I'm talking about me, I'm not perfect, I'm also learning. I'm not perfect in English and I don't know all rules in grammar. I don't know. And guys, if I'm talking about me, I know few rules in grammar and I know few vocabulary. Still I'm speaking in front of you. Still I'm making videos. How? Because guys, whatever I know, I try to speak. Like notice that while speaking, while talking, lot of mistakes I'm doing. I do lot of mistakes, but I don't think about it because as much I speak, I will learn. As much you speak, you will learn. That's why you have to speak regular. If you want to become a fluent speaker regular, you have to speak. And remember these all things guys. First, don't wait like first I will learn all grammar rules, then I will start speaking. No, whatever you know, you have to speak. Don't wait. And the next things is you have to always remember, don't wait and don't think about your grammar. Okay, you just start speaking. To be honest guys, I don't know grammar or rules. Literally I don't do grammar or rules. Guys, I believe that if you speak regular, if you will become a fluent speaker. Once you will become a fluent speaker, literally. So my humble request, now you know anything you know in English, you try to speak in English. Like you know only some vocabulary, start speaking in English. Start speaking English. Like whatever around you and you know that things you know English, so you just start speak English, not speak Hindi. Like if you see your chair, you try to speak chair, not you have to speak kursi. You have to say chair. If you see all trees, you have to speak tree, don't speak pen. Okay, yes, I would like to share with you, like if you think English is very difficult to learn, English is very easy to learn. Literally English is very easy. But remember one thing, like regular you have to speak. You will have to speak front of mirror like 5 minutes. If you don't have enough time to learn English, as much time you have to speak. Like 5 minutes you have in your leisure time, you have to think in English. You try to make different sentences. You have to try to make sentences. Like if you sitting in your classroom and your friends coming, so you have to think in English. My friends coming here, my friends going there. Now I am thinking in English, and my all this kind of you have to speak. My all friends already speaking in Hindi, but I will speak in English because I want to become a fluent speaker. That's why I speak in English. So this kind of you have to think in English regular. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, if you have 20 minutes, 50 minutes, so this kind of way you have to speak in English. You have to think in English, and whatever you know in English, you try to speak. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, please tell me in the comment box, and please like, comment, don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.